East Coast kid, nigga. Hey, what's up, girl? It's your boy Pistol, yo. What's up with you? Chillin'. Chillin' too, yo. Hey, what's up with it, yo? Yeah, I don't know why people be hating on you, but I'm glad you like them. Yeah, this is what it be up on the East Coast Kid Street. You know I do me young with this sweet girl. I love to meet, holding hands. Yo, it's what it be like, John. Giving flowers, John, and pour some slow music like this, son. And let's dance. You already know, John. Then I make a wet leg, you see it through her pants. Then I do what I do, then take it slowly and try to be romantic, John. Keep it holy like the spirit, John. You already told me how you love my lyrics, and I love the way you said it right with your lips. The way it moved, let me give you a quick kiss. Now let me take it slowly. I love it, John. And it's really like, yeah, we fall in love with each other really right now, automatically. Come on, dog. That's how I do, John. Let's get it, girl. Yeah, you know how it be, Yeah. Hey, sexy as mother, Hey, look at this. For me, my girl, yo. Look at this. Got this champagne bottle and there's two glasses. Come on, brown, you ever see my one model, young? You already know what that perfect ass is. You already know, young, you know how we do, girl. Now me make you laugh and you already know, say, yeah, your beautiful makeup, young. You ain't even need that, young. You already know now, never have to make up, cause I ain't gotta break up with you, cause you already know I can see you the realest, real good that I ever been with. Yeah, I want the rest of the hitters, but you already know either way, young, they're gonna be hating. You ever see John hit me in my lyrics, son? They think I'm a lame, you without a brain. It's whatever they can say what they say, but you already know the truth. That's why you got love for me, throwing kisses really, and I'ma catch them quick. You already know in the game like a quarterback, young. You ever see John? Yeah, and let's have a daughter, a son that's matched with this. Yeah, yeah, baby girl, you ain't never gotta work. You ain't never gotta shot to show off your body in front of me that this twerk. Cause you already know how we do in the game, like they digging the dirt. Like them gold diggers did something for me, young. Now and how to do, young, that they treat me. Now in the hood, young, that I got you, young. That's what I need. Yeah, my genie. You already know you my queen, my everything. This likeness, my music is what I'm saying. Come around, young, let me purchase a diamond chain to put on your neck. It's my queen for a fact. You already know it mean that. Yeah, to the end, you already know, to the game, to the stack. You never broken. You already know we leave us relationship this close, man. You already know we connected. You already know it never more tighter than that. And nobody can break it or not. Come on, Joe, you already know I shake the block. You love that girl, yeah. Let's travel, girl. Let's dip. You already know, going right to the beach. Yeah, let's chill. You already see what more love game we reach. Come on, son. You already know. Yeah, blood we spill. You already know the thug right here. Yeah, you right like when I chill. You already know what you love to ride or die. No matter what I decide. You already know. Put one in the eye, they try to come right to between us, try to take you away from me. You already know I can't have it, young. Nah, I ain't got no jealousy, but you know how I be. It's all about the principle. You ever see load the gun, son? You already know, young, and right at their temples. You ever see I gotta do what I do. This love thing, young, always put it out like a big example. Cause this world need it. You already know, cause all this world here is a bunch of hatred, and they want everybody to get the bleeding. They ain't like them. You already know, like a person like me, son. They don't wanna strike, young. You already know, young, cause they hate me, right? Yeah, girl. Look at you, angel above the clouds with the Lord. Like you died, nah, then you just got put there. Yeah, young. You already know, cause you know how we do. When like we sitting on the porch, you ever see how I get down, young now. Never see with the salt. Yeah, let's have a couple kids that teach them how to play sports. Come on, dog, you already know if they get a bad report, then right in school, young. I ain't gonna never whoop asses. You already know this, man. I'm passionate, you, young, and we all gonna still have a blast. You already know this when to do what we do, young. Hey, life is trash, but like with us, we got our own world, and we stay apart, separated from this game, son. You know, girl, yeah, you know my name, Lil Pistol in the hood, young. You that since we spoken, you already know since I introduced myself, young. You already know how I get, young. Let me buy you a fur coat again. Come on, dog. You know how I be, young. Girl, you got my heart. Yeah. See this diamond girl is for you that I got for $1,000,000. You already know custom made the whole game. Come on, dog. You know I never lied in the game. Lie down, girl. Now you already feel that love pouring down like a shower. You already know right with the love splash. Come on, girl. Yeah, me and you feel the same game. You already know like love. We don't need cash. Come on, dog. We got each other. That's why I love. Yeah, like we next to each other when we sleep under covers. And if we ain't sleeping with this, doing what we do, yeah, being freaks, man. Come on, dog. You know how we get down. Come on, dog. Love every time we just speak now. Yeah, you never see neither one of us stare each other with a frown. Cause you already know we always excited to see each other's face. Come on, dog. Young next to the ass now. Already strike quick. Come on, dog. In the hood, young. You know I love the mic. And I love you too, young. That's in my life. Come on, dog. You know how we get. Come on, dog. It's the king right here. Ain't no yeah. Let's go to church. Come on, dog. You already know, yeah, you heard the words. Let's dip to the Bible. Come on, dog. Let's see the good father, yeah, right there, son. Yeah, that's reliable for us to live better. Yeah, that's a big eternity promise. You already know in the game, cause if we don't do it, yeah, we're gonna turn to burn the hood, son. Yeah, like we ain't just being honest, but you know we gotta keep it true to the death. You already know when that's to you, either way, go to heaven or hell. Yeah, you already know we're gonna be next to each other, young. Land each other chest. Come on, dog, don't matter to me, young. Down the lap, yeah, rip off the checks. Come on, dog, in the hood with no money, young. Ain't gonna accept that. Come on, dog, you already know you next to me, young. I love how you sit on my lap. Yeah, been so love close. You already know we're going above those haters in the game, young. For them other folks, them other dudes, with them other jokes that they play for the brothers, young, that they give them food. Yeah, would you be surprised, baby girl, if you open your eyes and I'm like, your daddy's in this world? You already know what I mean. That's why outside you don't see it, but I'm talking about young, yeah, wipe it clean. Yeah, when I see it, to show you what I got you. I got you a brand new pink car. You already know new Mercedes in the game. Come on, dog. You already know like a think like a star. You already know think like I got a whole bank. Yeah, and a whole gasoline, a whole tank. Come on, young, you know how we ride through the game, young, ride through the scene. right to the end, yeah, right. We're looking at the full moon in the sky. You'll receive the beat like in the pool, the game in the hood, son, and pull out like I'm shy, but you know I'm not. Yeah, look at you, girl. Yeah, you love the sound, right? That's why you just cry. You want dog, look at your tears slide right down your face. Yeah, look through your eyes, and I do it. Freestyle unit. You already know MOB, y'all.